All right, this is a shameless promotion here. I have two books that I want to show you. They're the exact same inside, they just have different covers. Never Refuse to Refuse or Killing It. And I have a good friend. Let me tell you a little bit of story. I have a really good friend named Andi who is doing some self-publishing on Amazon, and she has some really fun, cool notebooks that you can get on Amazon. They're super cheap, they come real fast, and I thought they were neat, and so I reached out to her and said, hey, would you consider doing a log book for fusing? And we worked together to collaborate, and here it is. And so I just wanted to show this to you and encourage you. I think so. $7.50. That is a crazy great price. $7.50 for this notebook, and I think it's a great idea for a stocking stuffer, for instance. So when you've got somebody asking you what to get, this is a good idea for you. So let me show you what's inside. Andi has created this great book that is a resource of really just notes for you to take in your studio. So there's several pages for to-do lists. There's several parts and supplies lists, just as you're making, if you're like me, you have to make a list of things before you go to the store, otherwise you'll buy too much. There are several pages just for notes, lots of pages for sketches here, and then you get into, there's a couple pages for kiln maintenance, and then there are some project pages. And so what you've got is, the start of a project. You can sketch it out, what it's called, give a little bit of a description, some materials that you have and what you need, and so you make a little list here. And then there's the costs that you estimate for your piece, the firing information that you think it'll that your piece is, and then two different firing schedules here as part of the place. There's plenty of spot for notes, so if two firing schedules is not enough, you can add some notes here about other firing schedules, results that you got, and kind of rate your project. And so I just think that that is super cool, and there are several, I think there's like 20 spreads for these projects, and like I said, notes, parts, supplies, to-dos, really fun. $7.50. Everybody wants to know what to get you for Christmas or what to stuff in your stocking. I think this is a great idea. So if you're interested, follow the link. I'll put the link in the bottom of the in the video notes. And this is just a nice way to help out my friend Andi. I am giving you an Amazon link that's mine, and I'll put this in my Amazon store. So I suppose with that in mind, I'll get an affiliate referral credit. But this is really about helping my friend Andi and giving you something fun and cool. Two different designs to focus on, Killing It or Never Refuse to Refuse. Hope you like the books. Let me know what you think. Catch you later. Bye-bye.